going on YouTube? This is your boy Mike, living with 3M, in case you didn't know. Just gonna tell you guys, did a mod to the wife's Explorer. It's a 2017 Explorer Sport, and we just didn't like the blue Ford emblems on the black. So I went ahead, took and ordered new emblems that were custom made with the black instead of the blue. So this is not an overlay, which I don't think overlays are bad. If you can get them to stick and stay, they look great. So I'm not anti-decal, but I really wanted something for her that would look as close to factory as possible, just with the black instead of the blue. So let's go through the tutorial where I did a how-to and tell me what you guys think. Okay, what we're going to do today is switch out this oval for this custom painted black one. So what we're going to do is remove these from the top panel, then reach in behind and access the bolts behind this. There'll be two small bolts holding it on. Okay, also, along with removing these bolts, I set them up on the plate there. We've got these little push pins, which will take the flathead screwdriver to remove those. So with those, you just push in there, get it to pop up a little bit, take your hand, should come right out, that easy. Okay, so once we've got the trim panel removed, this will flex just a little bit without removing it. Not sure if you can see down in there, but basically there's two 10mm nuts that are holding that on, and we just get our little 10mm on the socket, reach our hand down in there and undo them. They're fairly loose. Okay guys, so if you're like me and your hands are pretty big, you can't reach down in there because this thing is in the way. So you can remove, which I've removed this one already, but we're going to remove these 8mm bolts that hold this assembly on and this assembly, so we can access the nuts down in there. It's a lot easier. Okay guys, I got it off. So basically what holds this piece on are just little wing nuts that really are just junk. I mean, they're not designed to really hold anything tightly. So, but I had to take the horn off because my hands are so big to get down in here. Okay guys, there's the finished product. You can see how good that looks. Bolts on, perfect, no issues. Just put your little trim panel back on, which in turn holds the grill on up top. But if you're like me and got big hands, you'll have to take those 8mm bolts loose for the hood latch. And this is the horn. It's got a bracket right here that kept jabbing me in the wrist. So it's just making room to get your little ratchet back here to the 10mm nuts that hold this on. So there's no tape, nothing like that. It's just the two 10mm nuts. So, okay. All right, we'll step back and give you a shot with the hood closed. Looks really nice. All right, guys, so that wraps up the tutorial on the how to gain access behind the front grille on a 2017 Explorer. So if you guys have any questions, please hit me up in the comments. And remember, constantly, I'm out there making videos for you guys. Whatever you want to see regarding the Ford Explorer, the Ford F-150, just let me know. Comment below, let me know. But be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the little bell, because I'm coming out with videos weekly. So tell me what you guys want to see and we'll go from there. Thanks guys.